this shop. I'm gonna pull the cab back off. I bought a bunch of fucking shit. Paint, primer, hardener, reducer, paint gun. I bought sandblast shit. I bought a bunch of bullshit. I know I'm not supposed to cuss, but I don't give a fuck. This is so fucking stupid not cussing. Heading over there, gonna pull the cab off, lay a tarp down, push the frame out, hopefully take the wheels off. I don't know, I might be a pain like a fucking ass, but gonna knock this out today, hopefully. Alright, ready to roll. Get the blaster, frame. Probably gonna see how this goes for a little bit, and then pull the wheels and tires off if it goes good, just so I can get the hubs and stuff. So see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm gonna not do a time lapse because I don't want to hurt the camera. Quick status update here. Things have escalated a little bit. Yeah, things looking really good. 99% of the rust is off. You know, flaky stuff. So, air dry it. Hit a couple spots with the wire wheel. Bob's your uncle. This thing should have color in a couple hours here. So, super pumped. There's a lot of work. Sandblasting sucks, but whew. Golly, those simulators look good. Throw the engine in it sometime next week or this week. Whew. Missed some more stuff, but engine's in, looking good. Cab's back on temporarily. Got the transmission here. As soon as my clutch gets here, we'll pull the cab back off for the third time and put it back in. Back at it for more here, YouTube. Got a new clutch. I got this a couple weeks ago, but I've been working out of town and just been busy with other shit. So back over here at my brother's, got a new clutch. I left it out in the rain, so now I got a rust spot. But a flywheel, throwout bearing, all new bolts. The clutch disc is in there, is making sure it fit the trans. So I'm gonna get this mounted up and get the trans in. Then I gotta go back to my house and finish pressure washing the transfer case. Then I can bring that back over here, hook up the drive shafts, and get the cab set down for the final time, and start buttoning this sucker up, because I feel like it's been months since I started this project. So I bead blasted those, the cab mounts, and just sprayed those. So hopefully at least get the new clutch in. It's just a single disc. I think it's like a hair over stock, so like 400 horse or something like that. But yeah, gonna get that in and hopefully get some work done today. So here we go. Flywheel's on after I pinch the fuck out of my finger. It says 100 foot-pounds, and then the pressure plate 18 to 20, which it's supposed to be, I think, like 101 and 35 is what I see online. So I'm just gonna do 125. So we're back at it here. This is a little after all the shit we got done today. First off, this thing, the transmission got stuck in fifth, so it was a really good excuse for me to take it back apart and fix some things up. I pulled the injectors out because one of them were sticking. I had these King Ranch seats I wanted to put in here. I had some more Dynamat I wanted to put in, and a couple little like odds and ends and stuff to fix up. So this is currently down, working on this also, waiting for the transmission to get done and the injectors to get done. But anyways, the second gen, I'm gonna go outside. I don't know how, it's probably gonna be windy and shitty, but we'll see how it comes out. So we got the second gen home. Obviously, you know, I gotta finish it here, but at least it's home now, and all the, I want to say all the major stuff's done other than getting the bed painted. That's probably going to be a little bit of a hassle, but so I gotta order wheel spacers because these tires are fucked. So I got a bunch of little odds and ends to do. Mostly the wiring is going to be the major part of this deal, because I feel like I got a lot accomplished, but it needs a wheel bearing for sure, and the brake booster needs hooked up, and I gotta do the brake lines. I need a cover for that, and all this crap on here needs cleaned up. It just looks bad, you know. So I gotta run the fast. I got new filters for that. Clutch, and I missed putting the transmission, and I set the GoPro up and set it up on the tripod and forgot to hit record like a fucking idiot. So that's gone forever, and I'm not one of the YouTube bros where I'm gonna pull the fucking transmission back off just so I can record it, because it's not really that cool anyways. But we just, I say we, but my brother just fucking picked it up and just threw it on the engine. No nothing, just grabbed a hold of it and threw it on the engine. So yeah, so some of this stuff needs hooked up, just little odds and ends. I gotta transfer some stuff out of the old cab, but we're home where I can do this little stuff. I'm currently not going out of town for work. We'll see how long that lasts, hopefully for a little while. So I'll be home every day after work instead of being gone for 4 days and then coming home and trying to keep up with the house and social life. So yeah, this thing, once I get the parts done for this is also a major priority, but I want to get the second gen done and get that sold, and then start on the next project, I guess. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna probably, fuck, did I flip this too many times? I don't know what I'm doing. So that's probably gonna be it for this video. I don't know for sure, I don't know, but that's where we're at. I'll give you more updates on this truck soon. Once I work on it a little bit, I'll give you a little more updates. So that's it.